Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Telly Masala.
भाई 1 साल हो गया भाई, तेरा लुक चेंज हो गया। हाँ, तो अभी भी हंस रहा है कि नहीं? बिल्कुल नहीं।
अरे वो पहले
अल्लाह, तेरे पास भी आ गया। कुछ करना पड़ेगा इसका।
ये वही है ना, वो
हाँ?
पहले जल्लाद थे।
जल्लाद थे,
अब क्या हो गया, सफेद सफेद कपड़े हो गए इनके।
अभी डब्बा वाले हो गए।
अरे
जय महाराष्ट्र।
आप आंखें बंद कर लो ना थोड़ी देर के लिए। क्या है क्या क्या हुआ है भाई?
तो
डरा है।
आ जाओ, ये हमारा राज
Woohoo!
माँ, खा जाओ।
Please welcome the CEO of Viacom 18, Mr. Raj Nayak.
तालियां for Raj Nayak.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, a big thank you to all the residents of Tarapore Gardens. Thank you very much. We wouldn't have been able to do this without you. You know, this is that time of the year when we launch our biggest show. It's not just the biggest show on colors, it's also the biggest show on Indian television. It's probably more expensive than a blockbuster movie.
100%.
Uh,
100%. And
So thank you very much. I mean, this year Big Boss is going to be different from all the seasons that you've seen. You know, one of the biggest challenges that we have year on year is how to reinvent, how to do things differently. So the concept this year has been Padosi, and I think you guys have spoken enough about it, so I won't go on and on. All I'm requesting is, you've given us our love, you've supported us every year, please continue to do so this year as well. And to all the residents of Tarapore Gardens, please watch Big Boss starting on 2nd October at 9
Do
p.m.
you know, if I tell you who his Padosi is, you would have a heart attack. You would want to be living in his house.
We want to know. We want to know. We definitely
बता
want
दो
to
सर, आपकी पड़ोसी कौन है?
खाली
बताओ ना सर, बताओ ना सर, पड़ोसी कौन है
पड़ोसी
और
है।
आप भी बढ़ रहे, इसका बढ़ रहे, सलमान का बढ़ रहे।
और फायदा क्या है ऐसे पड़ोसी होने के?
मेरी पड़ोसी एक
आवाज कैसी है?
बहुत ही स्वीट, बहुत ही अडोरेबल, बहुत ही लाइकेबल, बहुत ही निहायत ही खूबसूरत,
आप ही बता
सबसे सुंदर, वेरी टैलेंटेड आलिया भट्ट।
हाँ सर, आप तो बहुत लकी हैं। अरे किसी ने कहा सर आई का फ्रेंड। अरे कितना शर्मा रहे हैं सर।
सर आवन जान में टकरा सकते हैं? हाँ?
नहीं, Alia is like a family. I mean, she's been part of the family, and मेरे लिए it's nice. She's also probably
अरे वो उधर
she is the
वही बोला।
one of the biggest stars today in Indian movies, and
One of the most talented girls as well.
yeah, she's very talented.
Leaps and bounds.
She's very good, and so yeah, it's nice to have a neighbor like her.
Amazing.
आगे बढ़ने
And then
चाहिए।
how is it to be the CEO of Colors and having like the biggest show on?
Actually, let me tell you, पड़ोसी वड़ोसी छोड़ दो, मेरा ये जब सीजन आता है ना बिग बॉस का, सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है कि जो लोग मेरे से साल भर में बात नहीं करते हैं, उनका फोन आ जाता है, अरे यार सलमान खान से मिला दो, सलमान खान के साथ फोटो
खिंचवा दो।
खिंचवा दो। So that is my biggest challenge, because you have no clue. If I make 10 requests to you, there are 1,000 which I say no to.
बट वो छाट के भेज दिया करो आप सर।
मैं वही करता हूँ. So that's the only challenge I have in running.
No, but you must be also getting a lot of these requests. जब मुझे इतने रिक्वेस्ट मिलते हैं कि प्लीज बिग बॉस में जाने के लिए सिफारिश कर दो, आपको तो एकदम
मैं तो
हजारों
मैं हमारे यहाँ मनीषा का है, हमारा मनीषा शर्मा और शीतल है,
मनीषा इतनी अभी यहाँ से बात की गई है,
और शीतल है,
इतनी खूबसूरत, शीतल इज लुकिंग डिवाइन,
और दीपक डर है, कहाँ है दीपक?
Where's दीपक?
Where's दीपक? दीपक, हाँ दीपक
आ
डर
जाओ
है।
सर।
हाँ, तो मैं तो बोलता हूँ कि these are the decision makers and सलमान खान is the decision makers, तो मैं निकल जाता हूँ।
अरे नहीं सर, अभी तो आप
प्लीज रुकिए।
तो मनीषा और शीतल स्टेज पे आएंगी कि नहीं आएंगी? ये
अभी
बताने
ना-
के लिए कि उनकी खूबसूरती का राज क्या है?
वो नहीं आएंगे मेरे को
नहीं आएंगे ना?
because I don't see them.
Because I saw Manish
But before
running
that,
away.
what I want to call, मतलब this show would not have been possible without some of the key people who supported us year on year. Nadia Chawan, Joint Managing
Nadia.
Director of
We
Parle
have Nadia
Agro.
ji on stage, please.
Okay. Show देखिए और Happy Fizz भी पिए. See, I'm doing some plugging in for your brand. I'm saying show देखिए और Happy Fizz भी पिए.
This is the Joint
I
Marketing
just-
Director and the Chief Managing
I just had
Officer,
an happy face. So I've come
Parle
cycling
Agro.
from Bandra.
Thank you, ma'am.
I've come cycling all the way from Bandra. So as soon as I came here, I saw an happy face on my table there. Outside the van. So I cut out the whole thing. It's damn good. I have
I'm
no
glad.
plan. I
We
have no
love the
plan.
heat.
Hmm?
We love the heat.
Yeah.
It's good for our business, and we've got a bar out there
Really?
for all of you.
Oh, happy face bar.
Yes.
बार देखो सर. इसके बाद जाके बार में एक हैप्पी फिश पियेंगे.
Nadia, why don't you say a few words?
Yeah, please.
Tell them how successful it's been. Why you're spending more money on colors?
Because of you, Raj. So we associated with Big Boss last year, Big Boss season 10, and it has undoubtedly been a great experience for us. Appy Fizz has been able to win many hearts of Indian consumers with a great association with this show. We believe this partnership has just gotten stronger, and we're really excited to come on board another season, and we look forward to the excitement of all this neighborhood love, neighborly love with season 11.
No, it's good that you tie up with us again, and it's not only that your drink has touched so many hearts and quenched so many people's thirst. It's actually really good. And now I can say it openly because I don't have any.
Say it loudly.
Loudly.
Loud
It's
and
actually-
clear.
It's actually a
The
really
best
refreshing
drink.
Yeah, the best drink. So
Most
be it.
refreshing.
The best drink.
Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
but it's a fact. I like it. I like it.
Invite and put it on YouTube. Your marketing is done. I would like to also invite on stage Will Yang, Brand Director of Oppo.
Come on, Miss
Yes,
Oppo.
please,
Oppo
sir, can we
again
have you
has
on
been
stage,
with us
sir?
again and again and again. One good thing is our sponsors never leave us.
The brand manager of Oppo Mobile
Brand
India.
director.
Boss doesn't leave,
Brand
CEO
director.
not leaving, the crew not leaving, nobody leaving. Everyone here.
Because it's a wonderful show.
Thank you.
I think this is our first year in a row which we become a power sponsor, and especially we hope that we can, together with the property, that we can keep some hype on internet, no matter on internet or on this beautiful society. And of course, I think most important is, although we have been together for 4 years, but we can see put so many elements all together in one place, in one house, and every year you manage to offer such perfect shows with someone also. I think this is really hard job to organize, to plan, so I think it's a perfect show, and we will continue this sponsorship in the future, for sure.
But there is something that since you're Oppo and you guys take the best selfies, has anyone asked to take a selfie with you?
Not really, I hope so.
Fine. Where's your phone? Where's your phone? Let me be the first one.
Yes, I think, can I have...
You distribute all your phones.
Yeah, because there is a very, no, there is a...
But this isn't.
और किस-किसके पास Oppo मोबाइल है यहाँ पर?
Don't show the branding. Don't show the
Thank
branding.
हाँ,
you.
बहुत सारे Oppo वाले हैं।
Because in consequence,
Yes.
just 3 hours before, we just launched this fashionable
one?
red one. So this
Oh,
is
wow.
a brand new Diwali limited edition. So I really want to take this
Yeah, yeah.
selfie.
अरे यार उधर तो उधर खाली नहीं है जगह
Come. Yeah. So we come this side. So we get it from behind. Thank you. It's a new phone. Thank you very much. Pleasure.
And finally,
Finally,
Yogesh Dutt
अरे sir,
from CP Plus. If you want to have security system in Tarapur Gardens,
yeah,
he's the man.
super वाला सब
मैंने
देख
इनको
रहा
बोल दिया कि आप 50% डिस्काउंट देने वाले हैं.
Mr. Yogesh Datta from CP Plus.
है. So, आधे पैसे तो
Thank you
इनके
very
मेले
much,
के चलेंगे.
Tarapur audience. You are lovely crowd. It's proud to be here. And I always wish ऊपर वाला सब देख रहा है with all of you here. This has been our third year of association with Big Boss. And I strongly feel that with CP Plus and Big Boss, they are made for each other. And this season, you will feel a lot of excitement with Big Boss. And we are going to announce a very strong and the most lovable, adorable, and incredible.
Nadia?
Oh yes. Our Bhai is going to be a brand ambassador, and
Already
Bola
है.
Nadia.
Already है.
so we are going to launch a new campaign wherein what we are going to announce that Upawala sab dekh nahi raha hai. Upawala is intelligent also. So it will be CP Plus intelligent systems क्योंकि Upawala sab dekh raha hai.
सब देख रहा है.
So I also like to announce that there is going to be one surprise entry in the house.
ओह. नहीं वो बाद में दिख जाएगा.
Oh, बहुत secret talk हो रही है. Well, thank you so much, sir. And finally, can we have the managing director and CEO of Endemol Shine India, Mr. Deepak Dhar, please?
Come on, Deepak.
Why do you go and hide behind all this?
Huh? Okay. नहीं ये इनका बिग बॉस जैसे शुरू होता है तो 2 महीने से ये ट्रेडमिल पे चढ़ जाते हैं 1.5 घंटा और कुछ 25-30 किलो निकाल के इस दिन के लिए एकदम फिट.
One has to be fighting fit for the new season. So thank you, Salman Bhai. Thank you, Raj sir. I'd like to thank everybody for hosting us here and really being an incredible audience. We're just about embarking on a new season. Very excited with this novel idea of this entire Padosis and neighborhood. The entire, creative has been amplified. I'd like to thank Manisha and Sheetal who navigate and collaborate along with my team year on year and season after season. I'd also like to thank Malay Pradhan, who's a dear colleague and partner in crime who helps build this franchise year on year with us. So looking forward to a great season and thank you very much.
No, you got to tell us that if you've got to put someone from here into the house, who would you put?
That's a very simple question. I'd probably put you into the house. From a rating point of view, I think we
मैं
are
2
sorted
दिन भी
then.
नहीं टिक पाऊंगा घर के अंदर. Straight to straight to Lonavala jail. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
right, thank you
for
so
coming here.
much.
Thank you, Tarapur
Ji, sir,
Society. You've been wonderful, lovely. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
you all. Thank you, Raj. Wait. कहाँ जा रहे हो? इतनी जल्दी क्यों है?
हाँ जी. This is the time जहाँ आप I'm sure कुछ सवाल जवाब करना
अच्छा,
चाह
ये
रहे
भी
होंगे.
होगा?
आप इंतजार कर रहे थे जी हाँ. तो this is the time where you can ask sir and the entire team is here. We're going to leave it open for Q&A for the media. So yes, let's
We're doing
slowly
this here,
begin.
not there.
We should start the Q&A now with the media. तो क्या आपके सवाल ready हैं? Hello, yes.
भाईजान
Yes,
here
yes,
on your
yes,
right.
yes. Can we have the
भाईजान
mics,
on your
please?
right. Yeah, यहाँ पे.
हाँ जी.
सिमरन सिंह from Book My TV. भाईजान आपके right में.
It's so damn hot.
Yeah, on your right.
Yeah, yes, sir. I can.
जी.
Paji, सत श्री अकाल, पाजी.
सत श्री अकाल. तो पहला congratulations for the new show, new beginning, new season. मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि being a host, what are your expectations from the contestants? मतलब जो पिछले season right was a daunting experience for you. So what's your expectations from?
बस सर बदतमीजी ना करें बस यही है. But they it's not in their control. क्योंकि ये जो बाहर की जो टीम है जो कि कंट्रोल करती है उनको, it's like they really torture them in the house. It's the most difficult format I think this is like one of the most difficult formats that anyone can ever do. I mean, you need to have a lot of patience, you need to have a lot of willpower, sensibility, you need to know the game by heart. You know, it's like, it's a really difficult game. I mean, khane ko nahi, ek bathroom, you know, so much gossip going on, and then you become friends, and then the team outside makes them fight. All the tasks go on for 48 hours without food, without rest. They don't know whether it's day, night, they're coming, they're going, nothing. It's like very, very difficult.
हाय खान साहब आलोक दिस साइड सर सवाल है कि इतने सारे फॉर्मेट हर साल बदलते हैं कभी कॉमन लोग आते हैं कभी कोई पर्टिकुलर नियम है जो आप बदलना चाहेंगे आपको लगता है कि ये नियम भी इस हाउस में होना चाहिए
मुझे सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ लगती है कि जो फर्स्ट वीक का जो इविक्शन होता है वो थोड़ा सा अनफेयर होता है क्योंकि जब तक यू गाइज गेट टू नो पीपल एंड पीपल इन द हाउस गेट टू नो ईच अदर एंड द ट्रू कलर्स कम आउट टिल दैट टाइम अभी जस्ट पीपल जस्ट एडजस्टिंग इनसाइड एंड द फर्स्ट वीक द पर्सन इज आउट सो दैट आई थिंक वन शुड थिंक अबाउट विल या
एंड फिल्मों के प्रमोशंस भी होते हैं खान साहब तो
जी हाँ
बहुत सारे लोग आएंगे
जी
किसका आपको इंतजार
अभी आई थिंक अभी मुझे तो इंतज़ार है जुड़वा 2 का and I think they'll be with us soon. Jackie and Tapsi and Varun, we're going to have lots of fun.
Sir, Salman sir, straight over here. Salman sir, you mentioned about he mentioned about film stars coming for promotions.
Yeah.
You have your own film also releasing in December. That is Tigers in That. Will that be promoted on the show?
Sir, starting right now. Right now.
दीपक सर हेलो दीपक यार हाँ जैसे लास्ट ईयर जो कॉन्सेप्ट था जो इंडिया वाले आए थे तो कई बार जो जिसका जिक्र किया कि बदतमीजियाँ या ऐसा कुछ हुआ जिसमें आपको एलिमिनेट भी करना पड़ा निकालना पड़ा इस बार कुछ आप लोगों ने कुछ नियम रखे कुछ चीज़ें क्या ब्रीफ करी और कुछ लाइक गाइडलाइंस या समथिंग
नियम हर साल रहते हैं ये साल भी नियम है सो ऑब्वियसली वी हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट बाइबल एंड अ रूल बुक दैट वी फॉलो तो कुछ भी वायलेंस या कुछ भी आउट ऑफ लाइन आउट ऑफ कैरेक्टर अनपार्लियामेंट्री अगर घर में होता है तो वी टेक स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन टू द एक्सटेंट ऑफ reprimanding them in the house or really evicting them. So I mean, and we make no bones about really evicting the person from the house. So we've been very, very stringent about such things.
Yeah, we don't want too much of gandagi. That is not cool at all. I mean, because it's coming on television and what's the time this year? 10. And people watch it, kids watch it, senior people watch it. तो छोटे मोटे झगड़े वगड़े ठीक है लेकिन कभी कभी they go overboard and that is something which I don't think any of us like. I don't think even you like it. So,
Salman sir, good evening. Andrea from Times of India.
And you know what? People want to come in, they want to revive their careers, they want to be noticed, they want to be celebrities, vagara, and it's not good for them as well. No one wants to, work with somebody who's unpleasant or who's unprofessional, who's got a foul tongue, foul temper. So.
Salman sir, how involved are you in setting the format of the show? Every year there is a new format. So how involved are you in that?
I'm not involved in that at all. I'm just involved in sorting out the people in the house.
All right,
Hi Salman.
And making sure that
Good
their
evening,
TRP
Salman, sir.
ratings fall down a
Good
little
evening,
bit.
Salman sir. I'm from Times of India.
Yes, ma'am.
एंड अभी आपने दीपक सर से एक सवाल पूछा था मैं वो सवाल आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ इनमें से किसको आप घर में बंद करना चाहेंगे टफ सवाल पूछ लिया आपने कौन सा And do you think you're going to survive?
Survive?
You think?
Oppo surviving really well. You don't think he can survive in the house? We are surviving with Oppo and Fizz and CP Plus.
तो बस एक ही इंसान और कोई नहीं
को क्या किसी चीज की जरूरत है
Hi Salman. There's a buzz about that you charging 11 crore per episode for this season. What do you have to say about that? That's a huge amount.
दे दो सर दे दो सर
My question is to
बोलो ना।
Nadia.
Sir,
अरे
would you comment
बोलो
on this,
ना
please?
बोलो ना
Any comments on this?
अरे बोलो ना दे दो भाई 11:30
Salman Khan doesn't come so cheap.
Oh. So
That's true.
हाँ
Nadia,
सर बाहर का भी काम बंद करा दोगे आप मेरा
Hi, Will. You're on your left. On your left.
Big Boss. I mean, this is
Because
not
I
the
like
first
the format. I like the format. I like the connect. I really like it. Even though I complain about it on some Fridays or Saturdays, now Saturday, Sunday, but I enjoy it. I get to learn a lot. No, seriously, I really get to learn a lot. I get to learn how to react sometimes, how not to react sometimes. I've started learning how to breathe.
Excuse me, sir. Sir. Sir, यहाँ पे.
सर आपके लेफ्ट है लेफ्ट आपके लेफ्ट अमित फ्रॉम दैनिक जागरण न्यूज़पेपर सर जो मतलब इस बार के सीजन का कॉन्सेप्ट है तो ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट कैसे आया मतलब चूंकि भारत के रिश्ते अपने पड़ोसी देशों के साथ बहुत अच्छे जो भी हैं इस घर के लिए इस कॉन्सेप्ट का इजाद कैसा बड़ा इवेंट है ऑडियो
वो तो हमारी क्रिएटिव टीम बैठती है और they keep ideating among themselves and they shortlist a few things and this sounded very interesting and creatively I think they'll be able to execute it well. Creative team full involved होती है इसमें.
Basically हम लोग नाम चेंज कर देते हैं.
I have a question for Nadia here at the back, right at the back. Yes.
सर आपके लिए एक सवाल था
So there are so many shows with high ratings across channels. Why do you choose Big Boss every year? I do like it. And also about the rebranding that you've done this year. How has it helped?
First about the show, I think that the format of the show itself is quite unique. There are many shows, but this one is quite special, and like Salman said, because I like it. But the rebranding, Appy Fizz has been a leader in the category. It's a category that we created of sparkling fruit drinks in India. We hold 95% plus market share in this category. We really wanted to be able to grow this brand to another level, taking the category up to about 4,000 crores over the next few years. So the rebranding really helped us create a much larger impact in the market with a very strong presence on the shelves.
So my name is Akshay.
That's a specialist for you. That's here.
Yeah.
You've been.
सवाल पूछिए डर रही है
Sorry. Big Boss has been running for last 11 years. What's been your strategy to keep it relevant for last 11 years? What's been season on season? What is?
बस simple सा strategy है. सलमान खान को sign कर दो ये काम हो गया.
Hi Salman, this is Sana from Indian Express here. You mentioned that you have the best neighbors in your parents, but have you ever faced some snoopy neighbors that you kind of irritated them, or a funny incident that you can share? And how are you as a neighbor to other people?
My windows are open all the time, and my next door neighbor is Vaida auntie, and I don't think she's too big.
And what about you? Do you snoop around?
No, I used to do that when I was a kid, but now I don't.
There's another question, since you, Shah Rukh and Akshay are the blockbusters in Bollywood, now you three will be there on TV, so it's kind of a new era that's rising. What do you have to say on Akshay and Shah Rukh joining you?
I think they're amazing. I think Shah Rukh is a great host. Aki is also really good. I mean, he's got this really good comic timing, and he's very witty. And Shah Rukh's got his own personality, he's got his own swag, his own style, he's got his own charisma. So I think it's going to be quite a tough competition this time.
And you think, what is that one thing that has kept you
For them.
What is that one thing that has kept you hooked to Big Boss over the years?
What?
That one thing that has kept you hooked to Big Boss for so many seasons.
Is that love and hate relationship, I think, that keeps me hooked on to Big Boss. Sometimes I really love the show, and then sometimes I'm not very fond of it, but it keeps pulling me back. And I don't think there is a better show than Big Boss on Indian television. And I think that everyone watches it and they love it. I mean, I get so many calls, people want jara karke andar. it creates a huge buzz when it's like this starts, and then every week who's going to get, you know, evicted and have.
So this will be Akshay from Red FM. So
Yeah.
So you can't keep on asking. Let somebody else.
sir, this will be Akshay from Red FM. Sir, I just wanted to ask you.
My favorite season, you said? Fight.
Sir, I just wanted to ask you, ये season में क्या different है जो पहले seasons में था?
Contestants अलग हो.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, you already, you have many काफी रह चुके थे पहले season में था अभी आपने लेटेस्ट को ऐड किया है वो ये है कि do whatever you want to do but don't trouble your mind. इस बार आपका क्या रहना है?
अब देखेंगे फर्स्ट डे जब शूट करेंगे तो क्या आता है. नया गर्मा गर्म बनाएंगे उस वक्त.
Hi, Will. My question is for you. So, what similarities do you see between Oppo users and the viewers of Big Boss? So, why do you keep coming back to Big Boss every season?
I think the most important for this property, for this show, is they are not one of a kind. It's very unique format reality show. Even nowadays in India, there's no other shows that you can see like Big Boss, and there's no other places you can see Salman Khan, right? And the second one is, I think most important one is the innovation. Because just like Oppo's selfie expert, we also keep innovating our technology on the selfie cameras. And every season by seasons, I think Big Boss always give you some surprising and which you have never seen before in this show. I think this is the most two factors that we believe that this association is a successful partnership.
बैठ जाओ नीचे.
I have Baida Aunty, Baida Rahman. One of the most beautiful women that we have in our country. Current Lord. I'm happy with Baida Aunty being there.
Salman sir, straight your.
Yeah, very good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Working hard.
Salman sir, my question is, the best. I'm lost weight.
Ripped. Now, you were saying?
Yeah, I'm saying that the best part about this show is that you are always yourself. When you are having fun, when you're dancing, when you're cheering the contestants, or even the times when you reprimand the contestants. But there are times when things go out of control and you also get angry and you say that you will never return to Big Boss. Does these controversies affect you personally ever?
What do you think? What do you think?
I don't think so, but at times maybe we get very annoyed when we see you annoyed on screen.
Then you should stop writing all that stuff.
So this will be the last question of the evening. Yeah, please go ahead.
Santosh from Indian Television. You recently signed up with Salman Khan as your brand ambassador. Was it a part of the Big Boss deal or was it independent?
No, it was not a...
Chal.
We have been associated with Big Boss for almost, this is the third session. And I think that given the charisma of Salman Bhai and the message which we want to give to the country about the security and the surveillance, I think Bhai no can be the better brand ambassador than Salman Bhai. So obviously he was the best fit and the right choice for us.
Basically ये बोल रहे हैं कि ऊपर वाला ऐसे बंचाया चल रहा है तो ऊपर वाले.
Hi Salman, it's Nikki from
Second
Spotboy.
last question,
Yeah, what
yes.
did you ask?
Hi
क्या
Salman.
पूछा?
Stand please, yeah, on the left.
Hi Salman, it's Nikki from Spotboy. As commoners are...
You have no respect for your seniors? Huh?
I'm
Grandmother
sorry,
की
I was
एज
not
की है
seeing
ये,
that, Miss.
200 साल से फिल्म जर्नलिज्म में है और नए बच्चे आके माइक दे दिया तो Please give her the mic first.
Yeah, please.
हाँ भाई आज से देखा आवाज इतनी बुलंद है. What? I can't hear you. What do you say?
Please give me the mic here for ma'am, please.
ऐसा निकलता हूँ इन सब से. ऐसा आजकल थोड़ा सा
Yeah,
स्मार्ट
ma'am.
हो गया हूँ. Thank you.
Please repeat the question for us.
Salman, if you get a chance to Bara Bajao one of your closest Bollywood neighbor, who it would be?
कोई माइक छीने?
अच्छा ठीक है मत बोलो.
नहीं ऐसा कोई है ही नहीं. ऐसा कोई है ही.
The last question of the evening from Spotboy. Yes.
सलमान, I just wanted to know, पड़ोसियों का जो सबसे बेस्ट काम होता है वो होता है लोगों की कंप्लेंट करना. सलमान की कितनी कंप्लेंट्स घर में आती हैं अभी भी? आपके फैंस आपके गेट के बाहर इतना ज़्यादा भीड़ लगा के खड़े होते हैं. I'm sure लोग
वो काफ़ी कंप्लेंट्स आती हैं और हमारे जो नेबर्स हैं उससे काफ़ी डिस्टर्ब हो जाते हैं बिल्डिंग वाले. So we try and tell the fans not to much out with them outside the building, and so now the security वगैरह है, so we just keep them slightly at a distance so that the cars coming in, cars going out, the neighbors don't get affected.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for this lovely evening. Thank you, media, कि आप लोग यहाँ पर आए. And now this is the moment for a photo op. So can we quickly have the structure on stage, please? #BigBoss to structure.